What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Danielle coming to you with another video. And today, as you can see, we are going to be hanging up some inventory. So right now what you see is my two-piece jogger set that is actually located on my website now. So if you are interested, go ahead and go in my description box and click on my website down low, or just type in realtysensuals.net. But basically we're just going to be hanging some of my inventory up, and here it is here. So stick around while I go ahead and get this situated. It shouldn't take long. So yeah, and these are how the joggers look. I think they're so cute. Okay, so that is the end of this video. As you can see, here is some of my inventory. So I have my two-piece jogger set, and then I have down here, let me just show you one, my two-piece ombre sets. And I have these in blue and red, so it has the little stack pants. I have these as well. They are actually on my website. So in the meantime, stay tuned for more videos. If you have not subscribed, please do so, like and comment on this video, and stay tuned for more. Thank you. Have a blessed day.